Assalamualaikum, good morning. Let's collect some vegetable from our kitchen garden. This is okra, lady's finger, or bhindi. So that's okra that we have harvested. ये भिंडी अब कुछ और देखते हैं. Now some brinjals from eggplant, बैंगन, what we call in Urdu. So now we have added some brinjals. ये अब कुछ बैंगन. Let's see something else and let's move. अब हम कुछ और देखते हैं. तो ये जनाब ककड़ी or salad it. I don't know what to call it in English. Like a snake, a green cobra. And some basil. क्या कहते हैं रेहान, तुलसी in Hindi, तुलसी माता. Now we have added some basil leaf to our vegetable basket. तो ये कोई तुलसी के पत्ते हैं, रेहान या नाजबो भी कहते हैं इसको हम. And some lemon grass for कहवा, green tea. तो ये कुछ सब्ज चाय, लेमन ग्रास हम काट रहे हैं थोड़ी सी. And some mint, कुछ पुदीना. And a few lemons. And now our vegetable basket for today is complete. ये हमारी सब्जी की टोकरी तैयार. Thank you very much. शुक्रिया. Keep watching.